This is day 85 and today we are looking at editing multiple sheets. So let's suppose you are creating a template and you have created your first sheet and you paste it in sheet 2, sheet 3 and sheet 4. You want to be capturing test marks for these students. And after you are done, you realize that actually you missed one more student who is supposed to be at the bottom here. So what you can do is, or let's say you missed a lot of things and you also want to probably insert on top here the top student and the bottom student as well. And at the end here, you want to also insert the average marks at the end here. So how then can you do the edit without wasting a lot of time? So what you can do is you can select the first sheet you want to edit, and using your control button, you select all the other sheets you want to also edit together with this first sheet. Or you can also select the first sheet. If there is sequence, you can then select the last one whilst you are pressing your shift key button down. So you can select all your sheets here. And you have to make sure that the sheets are looking the same so that you can edit them at the same time. Okay, so let's do the editing. Now, we said we want to add 2 or 3 rows here on top, 4 rows. Then here we are going to say highest mark. Then we are going to say lowest mark. And here we said we forgot to add one more student. So I just did a drag here at the bottom. Then here we want to add a column for average. Then equals average. That's the formula we are going to use to get the average. And we can drag down the formula also. And for the highest mark, we're going to use a formula called max. Then we can get the max here. We can also get the maximum average if we want to. And we can also do the mean to get the minimum or the lowest mark. And we select the range here. And we can drag it across. And we can do all the other editings we want to do. For example, we can format the cells and we can put borders across, around. Also put some borders here. Okay, and we can change or make this bold. Then we can check now. You can see here in test 2, it's looking exactly as test 1. And here also the changes have taken effect. And also here the changes have been made. So this is how you can edit multiple sheets. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel so that you can be notified when I upload new videos. More is coming. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.